I'll show you how to earn money or how to get paid to simply click on adverts in this video. It's quite simple and economical to do this. As usual, all you need is a phone or a laptop and no technological knowledge is needed. This will provide you with excellent side money for your free time. Anyone from any country can do this and see a very nice outcome because it is available everywhere. This website is actually very well liked, and many people have already registered, and they are making a lot of money. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Money making. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So, whenever a video is uploaded, you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. Now, visit this website timebucks.com. This is the web page that we will be using. When you visit this website, you will see the following text: get paid to, post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, and lastly, answer surveys. If we go down right here, they have a referral program. As you can see, we have a referral program, so you will earn commission on everyone you refer, and any advertising deposits they make. Right here they have weekly payouts. So they pay everyone weekly with 6 different payment methods. Right here, they have daily bonuses. Each day we run a competition where the top 100 earners win a nice bonus. That means you stand a chance of winning daily bonuses the more you take part and complete tasks. And here, you can start earning instantly, no approval process required for new sign-ups. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start earning instantly. And lastly, they have a friendly support staff team ready to help you with anything you want. Need help? Our friendly support staff will answer all of your questions. Don't wait days for a reply. We're here to help you earn as much money as possible. So, to sign up and get started on this website, just scroll and go back up and click on Sign Up. And you can sign up using just your Facebook account, or you can just sign up manually with your email address, your password, repeat or type in your password again and click on I'm not a robot, then click on Sign Up Now. Once you do that, you will be able to access the inside page and start earning money with this platform. Now, this is what the page will look like once you sign up. As you can see right here, the first thing you must do is confirm your email address. All you have to do is to open and confirm your email. Since you haven't finished any work yet, your balance will be empty right now. However, as soon as you start doing tasks, your profits will start to show up right here, as you can see. We have the agreement right here. You must first accept their terms of service and privacy policy in order to start using TimeBucks. Additionally, they have 3 buttons that you can see: I agree, I decline, and log out. To begin, all you need to do is click the Agree button. You will arrive to this page immediately. Go to your email address from here to validate your account. After clicking the verification link on this page, you will arrive at this page after you have reached your inbox. The email notification message is no longer present, as you can see. You can see a balance in your wallet. If you look directly up here, they will give you a $1 bonus all for free. This is the dashboard right now. The daily goal checklist is included on this dashboard. To receive a bonus, simply complete the daily objective checklist below. Only 5 of the 6 tasks listed below must be finished, and they can be done in any sequence. Just remember, you must complete it before the day ends, according to the time in the footer of the site, otherwise it will reset to 0. So, all you need to do is sign in each day and accomplish the daily goal or objective listed below. The list includes 1. Complete a full survey from the Surveys tab, excludes daily poll. 2. Complete 3 push clicks. 3. Complete 3 slideshows. 4. Complete 2 games. 5. Attempt 6 tasks. 6. Complete a click from the Clicks tab. To make even more money, all you have to do is complete the daily goal checklist within 6 days in a row and receive an even bigger prize. If you skip a day, it will automatically resets back to 0. If you can finish or accomplish this each day, you will 25% higher earnings for 1 week. So, make sure you log in every single day to complete this daily goal checklist. Over here, we have the referral program. All you need to do is to copy the link and share, and you earn 15% commission on the lifetime earnings of anyone you refer to TimeBucks, plus 10% commission on their advertising deposits. There are 9 tabs on this page. We have the dashboard, we have earnings, we have earn, we have advertise, we have ladder, we have payments, we have settings, we have chat, and lastly, we have support. Click on Earn right here to begin earning money on this platform. When you do that, you will get at this page, which has over 7 tabs with all the tasks we need to finish. Simply select one of the tabs, do and complete one of the tasks, and you will be rewarded. You can see that we have surveys, we have content, we have tasks, we have refer, we have games, we have offer walls, we have AliExpress, and finally we have sweepstakes. All have to do is click on any of the tabs and you will see a lot of tasks to complete and make money. Before we move on in this video, if you enjoy the video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Now, let us get back to the video. Once you have accumulated enough funds to withdraw from this site, click here where it says Payments. When you do that, you will be taken to this page, where you can see the money you will be earning, but you have not yet received any payments. Therefore, you will use this web page right here to withdraw your earnings from this platform once you have made a sufficient amount. Click on Settings right here to access this page. Here you will have to finish filling up your profile by completing this form with all your information. Once you've done that, click here on Payment Methods. On this page, you can select from a wide variety of payment ways. We have AirTM, we have Payer, we have Litecoin, we have Bitcoin, we have PayPal. All you have to do is choose one of your preferred options. In order to receive your funds, you must lastly click this link to confirm your identity. And that's it, guys. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.